So Troy and Tiffany were having problems again. Tiffany noticed that Troy was acting a bit strange. He was acting a bit distant and emotionless towards her. At one point, Troy even became physically abusive and choked Tiffany until she nearly passed out.
Hold on there. No, them did lovey-dovey with there.
Yeah bro, but something gone wrong. Tiffany also noticed that some nights Troy not even come home.
Tell you no boy, you can't watch people relationship from the outside and talk about relationship goals. Lie at them and be problems them have.
So Tiffany decided to pray and ask God to show her what's going on with the man that she's planning to marry. As she done pray,
Watch your know, sir.
she received a WhatsApp message. And what she see, brother? Shock her, she passed out immediately.
How would they try? I kidnap him?
Yeah, he was kidnapped and fast asleep like a baby in Abby's bed.
Abby, the ex-best friend?
Yeah bro.
No. Abby no stop till she get the man.